Okay. So this is a little meme run. I basically started Austria and I full annexed France, and then I formed France, and then I triggered the Burgundian Inheritance. What this allows is this gives you the full Burgundian Inheritance, which is a popular thing that people do when they start as France. But, well, it's not satisfying because you start as France, and then you take Emperor, and then you get Burgundian Inheritance. You should be able to do it the other way too, right? So start as the Emperor, become France / take France, and then get the full Burgundian Inheritance. Unfortunately, I didn't get Flanders and Holland because Burgundy lost these PUs. But I did get Brabant. So it's like a lame full Burgundian Inheritance. Nevertheless, it's still pretty cool. So this is the time lapse. Actually, I should also show you my AE. See, AE is very manageable, even though I truce broke to France twice. So how did I do that? So this is me, Austria. Oh, this is really awkward. France is still alive here, right? So this is Austria. Okay, and then I get a PU on Bohemia. Okay. And I take land. Notice occasionally you see me lose land over here. By intentionally losing land, see right here? By intentionally losing land, I sort of reset my AE. And I keep doing it for Salzburg and Bavaria. Okay, and then I keep conquering France. Thankfully, Burgundy, Aragon, and England pitch in, so it's much easier for me to full annex them. Around this time, I reformed France. Okay. And then at this point, I just waited until my truce with Burgundy was over, and then I triggered the Burgundian Inheritance. There you go. So, short meme run, but that's pretty fun.